Hello everyone, this is Rishabh Singh in second year of Electronics and Communication Engineering from Dharmsy Desai University, Naryad.
Namaste everyone. My name is Joshi Kashyap and I am from Dharam Siddhesa University and studying in 4th sem of Electronics and Communication Department.
The theme assigned to us was named Vitran Drone.
Yes, so going ahead to explore the theme elements, we used Dross Melody, Gazebo9, Plot Juggler, Desmos and lots of Python packages for implementation. The flow of our theme was to read the CSV file first and decide the order of deliveries and returns. And after that to grip the box and detect the marker and deliver it and go for the return. If possible to go to the nearest point. We implemented the Bug2 algorithm for path planning, shutdown hooks for testing purposes, and small filter algorithms for being consistent to get the sensor data.
Main focus of this theme was on automation, and most interesting aspect which we like was we can help people even in this pandemic situation where manual delivery is a risky task and bit tedious too. We came to know about this Yantra competition from our seniors.
Before Yantra, we never thought about doing this kind of big projects. But during the journey, we learned to overcome the fear of getting started and we learned a few skills like how to divide a certain task and to complete it with more precision.
Before this competition, we thought like this is just a simulation. What could possibly go wrong? But now we understand what can go wrong and most importantly, how to fix it.
In the situation of lockdown, the main problem was to get in sync with our team member, which was overcome by GitHub.
Each project has its three main pillars, which are planning, implementation, and documentation. And in this competition, we got hands-on on all three of them.
eYantra has provided us the best stage learning process in lockdown period with the taste of competition. These processes helped us a lot to build the never give up attitude. We learned a lot of things like building the team spirit, writing a clear code, and debugging the errors, and stay calm in every situation.
We came to know about how important testing and performance improvement is. We spent 20% of time in writing just for codes and 80% time to improve it. Even though we are not being selected in finals, which just means there are more brilliant minds out there, and it gives us motivation to learn more and improve our skills even more, even further, and compete with them.
We like to thank eYantra for such a wonderful competition. We enjoyed a lot during this whole journey.
Thank you.